really got to recalibrate the whole air suspension because it's just not working right. But alright guys, so since I've lowered my car and put bags on it, that, I've never adjusted the AFS system that's on the car, which is the adjustable headlights, where you can either have them aim up higher or aim up lower. And in this case, since we lowered the car, we need them to be higher. What we're going to be doing is a very simple fix. You're only going to need two things. You're going to need some tape and a Phillips screwdriver and a garage or wall to aim your headlights at. Now, real quick before I get more into it, a good friend of mine, Darius, did make a very detailed video on how to do this. But what you want to do, as he referenced in the video, is put it in accessory mode. Alright, and you do want to be fast because your car's going to be on the whole time. So make sure your AC's off, all that stuff. It would help if I turned on the headlights. Alright, so we got the tape on. Again, this is so we know where we're at. So we want to get, I want to get a little bit above it, about like an inch or so, you know, not too much. And what we're going to be doing is, here's the easy part, bro. The light will definitely help. So on the driver's side, very, very simple. See that tan, clear piece right there? So there's this little hole right here. You just stick the Phillips head through there. Hold on, let me zoom in. It's a lot better. So stick it through there, and you're just gonna want to spin clockwise. That's it. It's that easy. And then you'll start to see it gradually move up. Alright, so I said I know I said to use the tape, but to be honest, it's really not working, and I think I found a better alternative. So we're gonna take this off. So we went up about an inch. Just the glare over there that you can see is just too bright that I can't tell where I'm at. But I can see right here, this is the driver's side and this is the passenger side line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start raising up the passenger side to get to the line of the driver's side, and it'll be even. So we're gonna go ahead and record that after I show you where the passenger side clear bolt is. Alright, so you guys see that right there? That's where you want to put the screwdriver in. This is the passenger side. Just go right through there, start spinning it clockwise, and you will start to see it raise up. Alright guys, see that line? How it's going up? Pretty quick. Alright, there we go. That easy. So we went ahead and matched it to the driver's side. It's pretty even, guys, so that's literally it. It's that easy. So if you did lower your 2018 through 2023 or 22 Mazda 6, this is what you're going to want to do to adjust the headlights to make sure that you can actually see when you drive now, because I know I've been struggling for a while, and if I knew it was this simple, again, this is something else that I would have done a lot earlier on. Instead of doing all this other stuff, I would have done bags, interior, and adjusted the headlights. It's like I'm doing all the right stuff last. But anyway, shout out to Darius and his video. If you guys want to check it out, there's going to be a link in the description below. It's very detailed. He goes way more depth, and I wasn't going to go ahead and do that because he made the video. There's no reason for me to make the video, right? Again, shout out to him. If you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, whatever, comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time.